Alright, so what's up, Al? We're out here at Moby Trails just chilling. And I had mentioned the other day that I got this lumberjack outfit. I don't know what else to call it. It's a lumberjack outfit. Professional Cutters Combo. So I got a tree I want to cut down, and Marie told me I should probably put this on. So we're going to check it out. Little face shield. Earplugs. Or ear muffs. Little high-vis helmet. And chaps. Alright, regular size. Water and oil resistant, lightweight and comfortable. Oxford polyester outer, blah blah blah. Chaps. And safety glasses. Always wear your eye protection. Alright, it does not come with instructions, as a matter of fact. So, I just figured it all out. Here's your headpiece. Front's got the little foam, back's got the adjustment knob. This was already in here. It comes out. I don't really know what it's for. It's not a chin strap. I think it's just a protector to keep this thing from going too far in. I think. So that's what we're going to use it for. So these little clips go into little grooves. Pretty basic. Slot A, tab B type thing. Locks in, there's your hat. And then your ear muffs, these were a little more challenging to figure out. Doesn't matter which side it goes on, because they spin all the way around. Anyway, those pop into the top sides. And then it spins down. To cover your ears. And then the shield slides through these. And it's hinged. So, here's your helmet and face shield, ear protection. Washing instructions. Warning, probably don't cut yourself in half with the chainsaw. And there it is, and it looks like they go on kind of like, you know, hockey goalie pads or something. You're right, yay. So let's go cut some wood. Alrighty, so cut that tree down, got some wood going, didn't cut my legs off, things seem to be okay, I guess. I got them as a gift from somebody actually, so I thought it would be a hoot to show them that I wore them on a video. So thanks for stopping in at mobytrails.com. I think we're going to cook up some chicken here in a little while, and we'll go from there. See ya.